In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new contractor in QuickBooks Online in just 5 minutes. It's a straightforward process that allows you to manage your business expenses more efficiently by keeping track of the contractors you work with. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. If you're not already logged in, head over to the QuickBooks Online website. It's important to use your proper credentials to ensure a secure login process. Once you've entered your username and password, click on the Continue button to access your account. After signing in, you'll be greeted with your QuickBooks Online homepage. From here, the next step is to click on the Expenses tab. You can usually find this in the sidebar on the left side of your screen. The Expenses tab is your gateway to managing all your financial transactions and records, which is vital for maintaining a well-organized account book. Once you are in the Expenses section, look for the option labeled Contractors. Clicking on this will take you to the Contractors page. This area is specifically designed to help you add, review, and manage all the contractors you collaborate with. With everything centralized, you can easily navigate through and oversee each contractor's details and activities. On the Contractors page, you'll see a button to add a contractor. Click this to start inputting the new contractor's information. This leads us to one of the most crucial parts of the entire process, inputting the contractor's details. Begin with their name. It's important to ensure that you have the correct and full name of the contractor, as this will be used in all your accounting records and any subsequent interactions on the platform. Next, enter the contractor's email address. Double check to make sure it's accurate because QuickBooks may use this address for all future communications related to invoices, payments, and more. Having the correct email ensures that your contractor receives all necessary information without any delays or discrepancies. Once you have added both the name and the email address, the final step is to click on the Add Contractor button. This action saves the information you've entered and officially adds the contractor to your QuickBooks account. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added a new contractor to your QuickBooks Online account. This not only simplifies your bookkeeping, but also helps you maintain a clear and organized view of your expenses related to external contractors. Remember, keeping accurate financial records is essential for smooth operations and compliance, so don't skip these important steps. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore our other tutorials for more QuickBooks Online tips and tricks.